In the realm of ancient Greek philosophy, Democritus, often called the laughing philosopher, had a profound insight into the nature of our universe. His statement, "Everything existing in the universe is the fruit of chance and necessity," encapsulates a remarkable perspective that invites us to ponder the intricate dance between randomness and determinism that shapes our reality. Let us embark on a journey to explore this concept and unravel its wisdom in an accessible manner. The dance begins, chance and necessity. Democritus saw the universe as a grand tapestry woven by two fundamental forces, chance and necessity. Chance refers to the unpredictable, spontaneous events that occur without apparent cause or purpose. Necessity, on the other hand, represents the underlying laws and principles that govern the universe, guiding its structure and evolution. Together, they create a harmonious interplay, giving rise to the multifaceted world we inhabit. Chance, embracing the unexpected. Life's tapestry is filled with unexpected twists and turns, and chance plays a significant role in shaping our experiences. From chance encounters to unforeseen opportunities, our existence is laced with moments that defy our plans and expectations. Embracing the unpredictability of chance allows us to cultivate adaptability, resilience, and a sense of wonder. Instead of resisting the unknown, we can learn to appreciate the beauty and potential hidden within unexpected events. Necessity, unveiling the laws of nature. While chance brings spontaneity, necessity unveils the underlying order that governs the universe. The laws of nature, the mathematical principles that govern physics, chemistry, and biology, all illustrate the presence of necessity. From the precise orbits of planets to the intricate patterns of DNA, the fabric of reality reveals an intricate web of interconnectedness. Understanding and appreciating these laws can provide us with a profound sense of awe and wonder at the elegance and complexity of the universe. The unity of chance and necessity, finding balance. Democritus' wisdom lies in recognizing that chance and necessity are not opposing forces but complementary aspects of existence. The dance between these forces is responsible for the diversity and harmony we observe in the world. Without chance, life would be predictable and stagnant, devoid of innovation and creativity. Conversely, without necessity, the universe would lack coherence, structure, and predictability. By embracing the unity of chance and necessity, we can navigate our lives with a balanced perspective, embracing both spontaneity and order. Democritus' wisdom encourages us to cultivate a mindset of humility and gratitude. When we recognize that everything in the universe, including our own existence, is a product of chance and necessity, we develop a sense of interconnectedness with all living beings and the natural world. This realization fosters empathy and compassion.